Let's talk about US stock exchange. There are two famous stock exchange in US market. First is the NYSE, second is the NASDAQ. Know-how in share. We provide guidance and support for beginners and existing investors to explore and achieve investment goals. In our Facebook page, Know-how in share, we provide short videos for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips sharing. Let's talk about New York Stock Exchange. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, is located in the New York City, which is the largest equities-based exchange in the world. Many of the oldest publicly traded US companies listed in the Big Board, which is the nickname for the NYSE. For example, Pfizer, Citigroup, Coca-Cola. What about NASDAQ? National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. NASDAQ is a global electronic marketplace for buying and trading of securities. For your information, it was the world's first electronic exchange. Many of the world's technology giants are listed in the exchange. For example, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft. The primary advantages for a company to list on the NASDAQ are lower listing fees and lower minimum requirement to qualify for a listing. In conclusion, NYSE is like our Bursa Malaysia main market, while NASDAQ is like the S market for Bursa Malaysia. Feel free to follow our Facebook page, Know-how in Share, for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Know-how in Share, your share market buddy.